What's going on, guys? I am Highway to Hill, and these are my touring gloves. So this is Dianese Universe Gore-Tex touring gloves. So these are waterproof. The moment you see Gore-Tex, you know that it's 100% waterproof. This is made of goat skin leather, so it's really uh, high quality. The construction is also pretty solid. Anywhere that you see, you will find double stitching. You can see over here double stitching, or over here. So everywhere you see, even at this area where you have your sliders, so double stitched everywhere, and really nicely constructed. Also, the shape that you see over here of these fingers, these are not because of usage, but these are already pre-shaped. These are already pre-curved at this angle, and that makes it really comfortable. Now, I got these gloves mainly for touring, and it's waterproof. I have tested this in rain. I have ridden in rain, and it doesn't allow water to get inside, and that's the main purpose of Gore-Tex. Um, these gloves are pretty expensive, but if you really want 100% waterproof riding gloves, then I think there is no other material that can guarantee waterproofing, and that is why I got these gloves. But the other thing is that my hands do get sweaty inside, and that's a bit ironic. uh, the the idea is to keep my hands dry, but obviously the rainwater doesn't get in. But uh, since these are touring gloves, I mean, and it's waterproof, so there are no vents over here, and my hands really do get sweaty and a bit sticky, a bit wet inside these gloves. Now these gloves are obviously not made for our country. I think these are best for European countries, North American countries, anybody who is in the northern hemisphere. uh, our weather is just too hot, and I don't use these gloves in the city. I only use it when I want to tour. So the main aim of Gore-Tex is not to allow water droplets to seep inside, but at the same time it should allow the sweat, moisture, vapors to escape through. But it's a bit too much for our weather, especially in India, which is a tropical country, and where I live in Chennai, it's always hot. At least 8 to 10 months are really hot. So my hands become really sweaty inside this. uh, but I mainly got this because I wanted to be 100% sure. I wanted a gloves that is 100% waterproof, and this provides me that. Now, because your hands get sweaty, one problem that I face is that when I'm trying to remove my hands out of the gloves, what happens is there is this textile layer inside. It's like another glove inside a glove. So your outer, obviously this is your outer skin, and then uh, throughout this glove you have this textile material inside. Now after riding, my hands are sweaty, and I try to remove it. What happens is this textile also starts coming out. It is not attached inside over here. So there were occasions where this whole material flipped inside out, and it just came out like that, and it was a nightmare. It took me almost 10-15 minutes to put my hand back, through all these fingers and aligning everything and put it back together. These gloves are not best suited for our country and our weather. But yeah, if you want 100% waterproof gloves, then you can probably look at Gore-Tex, or maybe you look at another glove with which has Gore-Tex. In terms of protection and safety, you have here the knuckle protectors, It says techno protector. I'm not sure what's the material inside. It's definitely not metal. I did search a bit about the techno protector, but I didn't get any information on the internet. But it's really lightweight. These gloves are extremely lightweight. So I'm assuming that there is carbon fiber inside. But here on the fingers you don't get, it's just padding, you don't get any material. I really wish, for the amount of money that you are spending, I wish this was maybe a carbon fiber bit or something, but these are just extra padding. Another safety feature is this lining over here, and this reflects light, and even this Dianese logo over here, so that also uh, reflects light back. Another good safety feature is this small wiper over here. Now obviously these are waterproof gloves and touring gloves, so you will ride in rain, and then this is a nice little feature where you can use this as a wiper to, on your helmet visor. And it looks really small, but this works really well. I have ridden in rain, and this little thing works very well. Another safety feature, obviously you have your sliders over here, so another important safety feature. It also has a touch feature in the thumb and the index finger, you can see over here. So overall these gloves are extremely comfortable. I mean, of all the gloves, this ranks really high in terms of comfort. Extremely comfortable, and this textile material inside this is really soft on your skin. My skin never gets red or anything even after long hours of riding. So I've done 700 kilometers in a single day, riding for 10 to 11 hours, but I had absolutely no problem with these gloves. They were extremely comfortable, and really good touring gloves. The velcro is really strong over here, so there's one here at the wrist position, and there's also elastic over here, you can see. So there's nice grip on the, it nicely snug fits your wrist area, and then you have this huge piece of velcro, and there's a double cuff system, so one goes over here and the other one goes over here. So it's a really nice snug fit. So that's it for today, guys. I really hope you found this video useful. I'll see you in the next one. I am Highway to Hill, and you ride safe.